Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm Professor John Ahr and I'm your instructor. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to put on jewelry. Now, if you can't put on your jewelry, you can't wear it, and then what good is it? So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is this item right here. Now, this is from a jewelry supply company and it's just a few dollars. And what it's good for is putting on bracelets and necklaces. Now, the way you do this is you take the end of the bracelet that you're going to clasp to and you clip it with the alligator clip on the end of the tool. Then what you want to do is drape the bracelet over your wrist and hold the tool in your hand so that you can bring the other end with the clasp around to attach it. Now, if you don't have one of these, what you could do is substitute with an open large paper clip. It will work exactly the same way. Just put the end of the bracelet that you want to clasp to through one of the ends of the paper clip, hold it in your hand, and then just bring it around. So if you have trouble putting bracelets on by yourself, this is an easy way to solve that problem. Now, if you have mobility issues, let's say that you're not able to raise your hands above your shoulders, what you do is you can take your necklace and undo it and hold one end with the alligator clip. Then you can just put the tool behind your neck and slide the necklace around so that you can clasp at the front. And that will make it really easy for you to put it on without having to strain your shoulders. Now, another issue is if you've got earlobes that are a little fleshy and heavier stud earrings tend to drop or fall forward, there are these little guys right here. And what you do with these is, if this is your stud earring, you would put it through your earlobe and then add one of these little discs, and then you put on your ear nut. And you can see that what this really does is it puts more surface area on the back of your ear where the ear nut is to help support the earring and carrying it up. It's kind of like giving your earlobes a facelift. But if you don't have these items, you can substitute quite easily with just a shirt button. If you're wearing your hair down, nobody's going to know that you got a button behind your ears. All right, the last thing that I want to show you are these little guys here. Now, you probably recognize these as ear nuts. Now, these rubberized ear nuts are popular with some women. They like to use them on both stud earrings and on French ear wires. But let's say that you've lost one or you can't find them in town for some reason. You could substitute with these. This is a large-scale vinyl eraser. Now, they come in a smaller profile that's similar to the size of the rubberized ear nut, and all you really need to do is just cut it in half like I've done here and push a straight pin or stick pin through it to create a hole, and then you can just use it on your earring just like the ones that you buy in the store. I hope you like these simple hacks. If you do, be sure to like this video and tell your friends about it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media. We also have classes on udemy.com and there's plenty of merch to buy as well. Thanks for watching.